Starting with Motosim 5.1, we enabled mouse commands to manipulate the 3D models on screen. Select the middle mouse button or wheel to pan the view. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out of the view. Select the right button to rotate about Z, and select the right button plus middle button to freely rotate the view. Now with Motosim 5.2, those mouse commands can now be customized. Select the application button and options and the Customize Mouse tab. Here we have the different mouse command options: scroll, zoom, rotate, and pan. Let's go ahead and clear them out. And let's make the scroll zoom the middle button plus the right button, and the rotate just the right button. And for the pan, let's do the middle button. Now select OK. Let's try it out. Now we can freely rotate by holding just the right mouse button. The middle button is panning, and the middle button plus the right button now does the rotate about Z. And there you have it, customization.